Congratulations. We are delighted to welcome you as a colleague of Regal Consultancy Services. As in this video, we have prepared this orientation video session to help you become familiar with Regal Consultancy Services and to understand more what Regal Consultancy Services has in store for you as a new employee. So let's get started. Your health and wellness are your most important asset. Taking care of these assets means you can be there for your family, your community, and your customers. At RCS, these benefits are part of your total reward program. We aim to provide high quality, comprehensive benefits for your health, wellness, and financial planning. This video is especially designed for you, our newest member, as your orientation to our comprehensive health, wellness, and financial planning benefits. Your health and welfare are your most important asset. At RCS, we offer you the following benefits to help you protect your health and welfare: medical insurance, life insurance coverage, and group accident insurance. Let us start first with an introduction of your medical insurance. The objective of the medical insurance plan is to provide hospitalization insurance plan for employees and their dependents as described under the plan. RCS will cover you as an employee, your spouse, children, and parents provided you register yourself and your dependents in the stipulated time given. You as an employee are automatically covered, but to ensure that your dependent also enjoy the benefits of the policy, you will need to follow the registration process. You have now received an overview of medical insurance. Let us now have a look at the benefits associated to life insurance coverage. In the unfortunate event of death of an employee while in employment with RCS, the nominee or close relative are eligible to receive the compensation equal to 2 times of the last drawn base salary or Indian rupees 5 lakhs, whichever is higher. Employee eligible to get coverage of rupees 37,500 or more, which is 2 times the base salary, need to undertake a prescribed medical checkup report to the insurance company. The coverage will be paid by the insurance company. As in group accident insurance scheme, will provide financial insurance to the next to kin in the unfortunate event of death of employee through an accident, or will provide financial support to the employee in case of accident leads to permanent partial disabilities or permanent total disabilities. The nominee or close relative are eligible to receive a compensation equal to 2 times of the last drawn base salary or 5 lakh Indian rupees, whichever is higher. The sum insured amount will only be payable in India, irrespective of the geography in which the event occurred. Regal Consultancy is committed in providing the necessary assistance and cover to employee in relation to retirement. The pension provision and gratuity are some of the most important benefits of employee during their working career. Let us now spend some time on looking at PF, pension, and gratuity. The superannuation scheme has been provided as an option to employee so that they can plan their retirement better, with the objective of this benefit to support you financially upon your retirement. So, who is eligible? All DIS, DIPL and ICC employees of job grade IG and MB and above are eligible. Scheme contribution is on voluntary basis, that is, there are limits to the amount contributed. So, how does it work? Payroll will deduct the percentage of the amount from the employee's salary every month and transfer the amount towards superannuation work. Annuation may be granted upon retirement, death, or on withdrawal. The overall objective of the gratuity scheme is to comply with the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972, reward the employee with long continued service with the company, and also to extract financially benefits to employee family. All employees are eligible for gratuity. It is payable to employee at the time of separation or retirement or payable to nominee in the event of demise of the employee. So, who can be your beneficiary? This can be your spouse, your children, or your dependent parents. If you don't have any of them, the benefits secure will revert back to the trust fund in case of your demise. Payout under this scheme is your 15 days base salary. Now, let's have a look at your leave policy. RCS believes that leave is an instrument of work-life balance, and our leave policy have been designed to encourage the employees to take time off from the work and to attend their personal needs. There are many categories of time away from work at RCS. Over the next few slides, we will give you an insight of these leave policy which you may avail of as you start your employment with RCS. You can check the different categories of holidays listed in the slides as annual holidays, earned leave, casual leave, sick leave, and maternity leave for women employees. We have more benefits program which we would like to give you a brief introduction in the further slides. Employee purchase plan, employee welfare fund, car lease program, domestic relocation, and travel insurance. Now, let us take about the compensation philosophy. It is all about keeping pay to be competitive in the marketplace and enabling our growth strategy. So, it is designed to attract, retain, and motivate our employee. Our compensation philosophy support our business and people strategy and our culture of meritocracy. Factors influencing compensation philosophy are market competitiveness, cost effectiveness, global and cultural consideration, legal and technical consideration, employee preferences, and company and business strategy and objectives. As we have already mentioned, our compensation programs are intended to attract, retain, and motivate the talent who are committed to providing superior results for all stakeholders and to making our business successful. We have already looked at the benefits which you will be able to avail of as you join the organization. These benefits are fixed and generally remain same throughout the year. Base pay and short-term incentive are variable and vary according to your performance. Your base pay is your fixed salary or hourly wage. It is based on the individual performance and market data. Short-term incentive programs are designed to reward employees for helping the company meet or exceed its predefined goals for delivering strong individual performance. Finally, here is an overview of income tax rates which apply in India. The tax rate will depend on your taxable income of amount as indicated in the mentioned slide. At the end, we expect some security requirements from each employee of legal consultancy services. Thank you.